Imagine checking tomorrow's weather forecast, not for rain, not for snow, but for flying glass. It sounds like science fiction. Yet astronomers have discovered a distant world where the weather may be even stranger than that. The planet is called HD 189733b. From a distance, it looks like a peaceful blue marble, almost like Earth, but beneath that beautiful color is one of the most violent atmospheres ever studied. By the end of this video, you'll discover why scientists think glass races through its skies, why its winds are faster than the speed of sound, how we can know all this without ever visiting it, and why this bizarre world is changing the way we think about planets. If you could see HD 189733b through a powerful telescope, you'd probably think it looked familiar. It's a deep, brilliant blue, almost like Earth. But that's the first illusion. There are no oceans, no beaches, no continents. It's a hot Jupiter, a giant planet orbiting unbelievably close to its star. A single year there lasts only a little more than 2 Earth days. That tiny orbit exposes the planet to relentless radiation. Temperatures climb past 1,000 degrees Celsius, hot enough to soften many metals. Its famous blue color isn't water at all. Scientists think it's caused by the way its atmosphere scatters blue light, together with tiny silicate particles suspended high above the planet. The world that looks calm from afar is anything but. So where does the glass come from? The answer begins with something ordinary: sand. Sand on Earth is largely made from silicates, the same materials used to make glass. On this planet, the extreme heat allows those materials to exist high in the atmosphere. Then another force takes over. Scientists estimate winds approaching 7,000 kilometers per hour, several times faster than the speed of sound. Those incredible winds are thought to drive tiny silicate particles sideways through the atmosphere. That's why this world is often described as the planet where it rains glass. Scientists haven't directly watched glass falling through alien skies. Instead, this idea comes from observations, atmospheric models, and the known physics of extremely hot gas giants. The reality may be even stranger than the headline. Why are the winds so powerful? Because this planet is trapped. One side always faces its star, the other never sees daylight. The day side is relentlessly heated, the night side is much cooler. Nature constantly tries to balance that difference. The result? Planet-wide storms that may never truly stop. With no mountains or continents to slow the atmosphere down, the winds race around the planet almost without resistance. At this point, you might wonder, how can scientists know any of this? The answer is light. Whenever the planet passes in front of its star, a tiny amount of starlight travels through its atmosphere before reaching our telescopes. Every chemical leaves a unique fingerprint in that light. By studying those fingerprints using a technique called spectroscopy, astronomers can estimate the atmosphere's composition, temperature, and cloud properties. It's like figuring out the ingredients of a soup just by studying the steam rising from the bowl. No spacecraft has ever flown through these storms. Instead, scientists combine those observations with computer models and the laws of physics to reconstruct what is most likely happening high above the planet. Even if humanity could travel this incredible distance, landing wouldn't be possible. HD 189733b is a gas giant. There is no solid surface waiting below. As you descended deeper, the temperature and pressure would become overwhelming. The violent atmosphere alone would make survival virtually impossible. It isn't just a dangerous planet, it's a reminder that not every world follows Earth's rules. HD 189733b is only one of thousands of confirmed planets beyond our solar system. Some may have oceans, some may have seas of lava, others may be stranger than anything we've imagined. Every new telescope gives us another glimpse into a universe that refuses to be ordinary. Somewhere among those distant stars, a beautiful blue world may still be carrying streams of glass across its skies, and if the universe can create a place like that, imagine what else is waiting to be discovered.